Hi everybody. I was going to share a clip of the convertible boot cover. These look like regular boot covers when they're on the car. You'll see on say a hardtop version car, there's this odd looking little flap when the hardtop's on. So this actually fits like a regular boot cover when the hardtop's off the car. So this flap actually converts, and I'm about to show you. This is my hardtop that's now back from the shop, and the glass is out, and I might as well just show you. Well, here I've taken my white hood liner and I've shot it with taupe Rust-Oleum fabric paint, and it looks like this now. Anyway, more on that later. So anyway, this is a regular sized soft boot cover for a regular TR6. But when you put the hardtop on, this, and I'll do my best to do this with one hand, this flap flips down and inside like this, and with this hardtop on the, say you got the hardtop now on the car, these straps are exposed. And what this does is this all flips underneath. Sorry. This all flips underneath like this. And so what you see with the hardtop on is just this version, which is the conversion of this little fabric cover that some ingenious guy smarter than me figured out. By the way, I took this cover to an upholstery shop maybe 10 years ago, and I said, hey, can you reproduce this? Like hoping his guys could unsew it, cut the pieces, and then put it back together. And I went back about a week later. He's like, no, man, we don't have any desire to try to duplicate that thing. So anyway, that's what this looks like with the hardtop on. These snaps, and these, you'll notice these little cutouts here go around that piece right here. It's just where you bolt down the back of the hardtop. So on both sides of that, that's exposed with snaps that go down on top of. And here's some snap stuff that I'm replacing right now, and that's what these snaps are for. So it snaps around the inside of the hardtop, still covering up the soft top, which can still be on the car while you have the hardtop on. That's all I wanted to show you today.